Let's look at adding resources that we've found in the Learning Object Repository network. Let's look at what we can do with them, how we can find them, and then let's look at adding them into Moodle. Put simply, the Learning Object Repository network is a collection of resources. Some are free, some you might have to pay for, but they're there for you to use and that you can also change to suit your needs. Once you've found your way to the LORN network, you're presented with a search box. There's a number of ways that you can search for objects. In this instance, we're going to the advanced functionality and we're going to search by keyword, in this example welding. And what we're also going to do is only look for free resources. So we'll just check the free box and then we'll click search. And LORN will then bring back resources that fit that search criteria. Once LORN has found the resources based on your search criteria, it does a few really nice things. It shows you how many resources there are that it's found. It shows you in regard to what competency, so you can click straight in there if you like. What it also does is it shows you within that what it's found, so whether they're activities or exams or exercises, which again is a really nice feature. What we're going to do now is just have a look at what LORN shows you. It's found one resource called Removing Spot Welds. It gives you a description on what the exercise is about and what it does, and on the right hand side you can click for more details, previews, or click download. Alright, let's have a look at what happens once we do start bringing this in. So we'll click on log in, we'll go to my courses and we'll go to the staff play area, and I've already set up, I've brought in the object which is a essentially it's a SCORM unit. So we'll just go into the settings there and just have a look at some of the settings. So in terms of all Moodle needs, it needs a name for the hyperlink, it needs a summary, and there's a number of other settings under the advanced. I won't really go into those, but obviously you need to be able to pick where the file is and what the file name is. And once you've done that, we can just save return to course. What I'm going to do then is I'll switch the role and we'll see what a student would see. So you'll just click on spot weld removal, and then we'll click teach about spot welds, and there we go, and there's all the information in there. This one is rather nice insofar as it's got some interactivity, so there's some things that it asks you to do in regard to the spot weld removal, etc. So I hope that helps you out in regard to SCORM. If you have any other queries in regard to finding objects through the Learning Object Resource Network, or if you need help and advice bringing them into Moodle, don't hesitate to contact Learning Innovation.